So the first transgenic animal was created in 1975 by inserting a gene from an ape into a mouse. The ape protein was made by the mouse, but the gene was not passed on to the mouse's offspring. 2 years later, they were able to create a version that did pass the inserted ape gene on to the offspring. But since we don't do this with just animals, we're going to call this transgenic organisms, right? But transgenic organisms contain genes from other species within their chromosomes. The genome of the organism was artificially modified to create this new organism. So the first transgenic organisms that we did a lot with were bacteria. We can insert a gene for a human protein like insulin into bacteria, then grow the bacteria up in a dish, and then isolate the human protein after the bacteria have made it, put it in a bottle and sterilize it and send it to the pharmacy. Um, because before we had the ability to create this genetically produced, so genetic engineering to produce this human protein made by bacteria, we didn't have insulin to give patients. We would give them insulin extracted from pig pancreases, but they would eventually develop an allergy to it and die. And so a diagnosis of diabetes back in the day was a death sentence. So the ability to create a human protein in another organism, especially one that's small and easy to grow and grows fast, is a huge benefit to medicine.